On top inside Edo today, Governor Godwin Obaseki don waka go the graduation ceremony of 104 social mobilization officers wey graduate comot for Edo Star for Edo State. The way can see Governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say he no go share government money wey he suppose to take develop Edo State give greedy people because dem wan try to blackmail Edo State government. Godwin Obaseki talk this one for the graduation ceremony of the new batch of teachers wey dey under Edo supporting teacher to achieve results wey be Edo Star. Edo Star na one branch of Edo Basic Education Sector Transformation Edo Best Program wey shele for Samuel Ogbemudia Model College for Benin City for Edo State.
And today, the father of the state decided to be here by himself.
Governor Godwin Obaseki say College of Education wey dey Abudu go get lab for science practicals and other ogbonge facilities to take train primary school teachers. Na so the college wey dey for Igweben go dey train secondary school and technical education teachers. And the college wey dey Afuze go dey train teachers on top of physical education and children wey get special needs. Im talk say the digital training and learning process wey don already dey shele for public primary school go soon dey shele for private primary school wey dey Edo State. And this one go happen because he no wan leave any pikin for back.
This training is just the beginning. It is just the beginning. By the grace of God, by September, our College of Education, which is now going to be located in Abudu, will have the laboratories and the equipment to train primary school teachers. The one in Igwebe will train secondary and technical school teachers. And the one in Afuze will train physical education and children with special needs. Our emphasis is on education.
The way can see Governor talk say in Pati All Progressives Congress APC stand for him back Gidigba and support him administration well. Him still talk say no be only him stand with the plan wey him don already put for ground to take pursue sustainable development for Edo State. Governor Godwin Obaseki talk say him wan assure everybody say APC dey solidly behind am and not be only him stand. So make people comot ear and forget wetin dey fly dey go for media. Him talk say the people wey wan make him give them money, the same money wey him supposed to take dey train teachers and provide for children and do other ogbonge development for Edo State, na dey carry all this fake information dey put for media.
And I want to assure you that my party is solidly behind me. I am not standing on my own. So ignore and forget what you are reading in the newspapers. Those are all disgruntled people who want me to give them the money rather than use it to train you. That is not our party. That is not APC. The people who own the party are here with me, and they support what we are doing. This is just the beginning. We will continue to train you. It's a continuous process. And our goal is that by the time we finish, Edo, as it has always been, will be the #1 state in education in Nigeria. I thank all of you. Good job, you!
The Sube board talk say the training are one of the pillars of Edo State Basic Education Sector Transformation Edo Best Initiative. Say the teachers wey throw body for this 27 days training program on top digital teaching and learning process go get certificates, smartphones, tablets to take improve the way wey learning take dey waka for Edo State. The board say na 104 social mobilization officers SMO wey dey under Edo Best Initiative na throw body for this 27 days training. The board still talk say these social mobilization officers go meet with 170,000 parents of Edo State, make them for discuss the performance of their children wey dey under Edo Best program.
We call him the man who has decided to make education free for all in Edo State. Educational material to all our pupils in the school. And he has also kitted you with what? Teachers and time. Is it not true? Yes. And is it building? Yes. Infrastructural development in the state is unprecedented. Because he wants you to teach the children in a conducive place. Who is this person that we are talking about? No other person than our father, the father of Edo State, Governor G.O.
Now, so we see the Tory reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today, on top the graduation of 104 teachers wey graduates comot for Edo Star, wey dey under Edo Best for Edo State.